Today we're going to talk about how to rank and get your articles and content indexed and ranked within Google. How to get Google to first index and then rank your articles that you add to your niche sites, affiliate sites. Okay, so that's what we're going to talk about today. So let's get started. We're going to be using one of my niche sites as an example. Now, first thing we have to do is add content to our site, right? So let's talk about the best ways to add articles to your site. Well, the first option, the best option, is to have be in a niche that you know about, and so that you can write the content or write the article yourself. That's normally the your best option. Option number two is to have someone write a good writer write the articles for you. Now, if I don't know if I'm in a niche that I'm not sure or don't have experience in, I have the articles written for me, and I use I need articles to have those articles written for me. So we have our article that we're going to post to our site. Now, the first thing we would do is optimize the article for specific keywords. Now, a great way to optimize an article is to use Yoast SEO or WordPress SEO plugin. It will give you tips on what to do to optimize the content. Now, after you've optimized the content, now we've talked about before of using Snap Auto Poster or a social poster auto syndicator, which auto syndicates content. So that would be the first thing we do. We'd go ahead and post to our social accounts that we've added. Okay, so we've posted this content to our Delicious account. Now this is very important. This is the post link, and we're gonna copy this post link down. So just copy it to your clipboard and then open a notepad file and paste it on that notepad file. Okay, so we have that pasted to our notepad file. We can close that. Let's go ahead and post to LiveJournal now. Again, we're going to copy this URL. Now we're also going to copy the URL to this post that we just published. And we'll paste that to our notepad file. Now we're ready to start generating traffic to this article and to our niche site. And to do this, we're going to use a few applications that will all work together to get this done. It will help you get ranked in Google faster, and it will help to get your content indexed by Google much faster. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and open our software and get started driving traffic to this site. Our first software that we're going to use, we're going to create backlinks to this post that we just posted on our site. Backlinks are a great way to get your site ranked in Google faster, especially when you're getting good quality backlinks. And that's what this software is going to help us do. So let's create a new project. The first thing we need to do is add some search terms into the software. So we're going to click add. Now, when we're putting search terms into this software, we want to put search terms, obviously, that have to do with our content. We're going to add keyword search terms that are specific to our article that we have here, but we're also going to add in other search terms that are more general within the niche. So once we've added in our search terms, we're going to click Start Collection. Now the software is going to go to work. Right now the software is looking for backlinks that we can get to our site. Okay, so the software found our backlinks. Now what we're going to do is take a look at some of these links, and we're going to go and try to get a link back to our post. Okay, this is one of the backlinks that the software found for us. So what we're going to do is take a look at this post, take a look at this blog, and try to get a link back to our site. Okay, this is a great blog that gets traffic, so we want to make sure and try to find a comment box or a way to leave a comment or leave our link, and hoping that he will link back to us. Okay, so let's leave our comment. In the comment section, we can leave our website or post URL. Now, when you're leaving a comment and looking to get a good backlink, you want to make sure and read the person's content. Read the content on the blog and comment about their content. Okay, so we're putting our comment in. Like I said, we read the article, so we can comment intelligently on what the person is writing about in their blog. And then we're going to use hyperlinking to put in our keyword search term or keyword phrase so that it links back to our site. Okay, so once we've done that, we're ready to post our comment. Now we just rinse and repeat. So we're going to spend a little bit of time to get maybe 5 to 10 backlinks right off the bat to our site. And so that's how this software is going to help you get traffic to your site. Once we've done got a backlink from the link, we're going to right click and then we're going to set the status of link added so that we know we've already done that one. Next, we're going to copy this URL onto our notepad. Okay, so once we have our links list built, it's time to go to the second part, or the second software, to start getting all of these URLs and links indexed in Google. So first we're going to take the backlink that we just created. Okay, we're going to paste that URL here, and then we're going to put in the anchor text that we used. Okay, paste in our anchor text, and we're going to click Add URL. Next, we're just going to copy the other three URLs that we created earlier, and one of them including the actual post that we just made. So we're just going to copy those to our clipboard. Here, where it says Load URLs, we're going to choose the drop down, and we're going to paste URLs from our clipboard. Next, we're going to click Index Links. The software is going to go through 3 different stages of indexing your links. Now, I'm going to skip ahead while the other software is working for us, indexing our links and creating even more backlinks to our post that we added. I'm going to skip ahead to the third software, which is Backlinks Analyzer. Now, this is a software that's going to analyze our backlinks and let us know how they are doing. Now, since we just created one backlink and it's not actually into the system yet, I'm going to show you exactly what you would do to find that information on the backlink we created if it was visible, because it's not visible right now since we just added it. So if you remember, just a minute ago, we created a backlink on a blog. So what we're going to do is we put our URL to our post that we created on our site. This is the URL that we created the backlink for. We're going to copy this URL, go into our Backlink Analyzer software. Where it says your URL, we're going to place it here. Okay, this is our URL that we created a backlink to. Next, we would take the link to the page that we created the backlink, or the page which is the source of the backlink. We're going to copy that, and we're going to paste it in here. Remember, using the backlink software that we used a minute ago, you would have multiple backlink URLs for this post. Now all you would have to do is, once you have all your URLs in, all your backlinks in for this URL, you would just click Start. Now what will happen is the software is going to go out and gather information about your backlink. It's going to give you the page rank of your backlink. It's going to give you the anchor text. Now it's going to say not found because it's not visible yet. It's going to tell you if it's do follow or not in this area here. So using all 3 software applications together will help index your post, your articles faster, and get them ranked in Google faster. Now the great thing about this is you can use the same software that I'm using here, and you can get all 3 applications for just one crazy low price. Guys, thank you so much for viewing this video today. If you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.